Okay, a couple things going on in this video. First off, I'm going to be playing in the key of G, and I'm going to be combining patterns 1 and 2. Now, if you've been taking my baritone solo course lessons, then you will know what's going on. You'll be like, hey, I got a great teacher, and I know exactly what that guy's doing. So there's that. Number 2, I'm going to be demoing this new Songbird Elite, Sparrow Songbird Elite, so you can hear what it sounds like. And then number 3 will come after this little demonstration, and it's pretty big news. So let's just take a listen to it again. It's on a clean channel. Beautiful. So, what a great sounding instrument this is. So fun to play, light, easy. Man, I'm so glad that I purchased this. And so now the good news is I got a hold of the owner and the person that makes these ukuleles. They're made in the United States. And I said, hey, do you think that you could kick down a little discount for my baritone players, the folks that subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, you guys? And he said, why, heck yes, I can do that. And so look in the description, and you'll get a 10% discount if you use the code that's in the description. And just be sure when you do, if you do, mention that, you're one of the baritone players, so he'll know, that it's coming from us. But I thought that this is such a nice little instrument that I would try to go ahead and see if I couldn't work that out, and I'm happy that he was agreeable, and hopefully if this is something that you're looking into, that you'll be happy too. Lesson 6 coming up Sunday. Get ready for it. Until then, keep on playing.